Hello everyone. The foundation of our innovation at Jakamo is the ecosystem. It is the starting point of everything we do that enables us to digitally connect manufacturers and suppliers and to create lasting value together. From the very beginning, our mission has been to build a digital platform where manufacturers and suppliers can collaborate smoothly and securely. Today, I want to show you what this ecosystem looks like and why it matters. Jakamo is a purpose-built digital platform. It's designed exclusively for the companies operating in the manufacturing industry. Our solution covers a comprehensive collaboration environment for mission-critical processes executed between manufacturers and suppliers. At the core of Jakamo is our US patented logic. That enables companies to connect digitally and manage their business relationships. Unlike the isolated portals and narrow EDI connections, Jakamo provides a market-leading supplier engagement and enables the suppliers to collaborate with multiple customers through a single interface. What you can see here is a visual representation of Jakamo ecosystem. Each circle here is a company, and the lines between them illustrate the existing relationships. The size of each circle indicates how many relationships that company has, and the colors show which companies are most often suppliers and customers to one another. Together, they all form a living ecosystem of collaboration. This ecosystem has grown rapidly. Today, Jakamo ecosystem includes more than 7,500 intercompany relationships. In just past 16 months, the number has increased by 60%. Every one of those connections represents a manufacturer and a supplier working more closely together, creating real value on both sides. I thank our customers for being part of this journey so far. Your trust and collaboration have been essential in building this ecosystem. Our amazing team has worked hard creating an exceptional product and establishing a growing ecosystem. This combination makes Jakamo unique in our industry.